Introduction of The Bluebird for Children by Georgette Leblanc. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Karina Pereira. The Bluebird for Children by Georgette Leblanc. Translated by Alexander Teixeira de Matos. To the teacher. The bluebird, inhabitant of the Pays Bleu, the fabulous blue country of our dreams, is an ancient symbol in the folklore of Lorraine and stands for happiness. One of the strongest pieces of imaginative writing for children that the past decade has produced, and one of the most delicate and beautiful.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?